Welcome to Servya, your all-in-one toolkit for digital marketing, email research and more. Servya equips you with a suite of powerful tools designed to streamline your online efforts. Today, we're diving into the Email Verifier, a crucial feature of Servya that ensures your email lists are clean and up-to-date. In the digital age, maintaining valid and receivable email addresses is key to effective communication and marketing strategies. Getting started is straightforward. Enter the email addresses you wish to verify, each on its own line. You can input them directly as text or upload a text file for bulk verification. Servya is designed to handle extensive lists, making your email verification process efficient and hassle-free. Once your list is submitted, Servya springs into action, checking each email address to ensure that it's valid and capable of receiving emails. This step is vital for keeping a clean emailing record, which should keep deliverability high. You'll receive results for all emails, ensuring you know exactly which addresses are active and which need updating or removal from your list. Your results are ready when you are. Download the data in JSON, XML or CSV formats directly from the tool page, accessible as many times as you need. Plus, our Results Viewer offers an interactive platform to review and manage your findings. The Results Viewer simplifies data analysis. Click View to access. Here you can explore each email's verification result, filter and sort your list based on the outcomes, and then easily export your refined list to CSV, Excel, PDF or directly to your clipboard. Elevate your email marketing strategy today with Servya. Sign up to access the Email Verifier and Validator and the full suite of tools that Servya offers. Visit servya.com to get started. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your digital endeavours with Servya.